In this video we are going to talk about the best ultralight spinning reel in this year, which is 13 Fishing Architect A spinning reels. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Provide a general review of the 13 Fishing Architect A spinning reel based on available information. The 13 Fishing Architect A spinning reel is a high-end fishing reel designed for serious anglers. The reel features a lightweight aluminum body and rotor, which makes it easy to handle and maneuver. The reel also features a CNC machine spool, which provides excellent line management and reduces line twist. One of the standout features of the Architect A spinning reel is its advanced drag system. The reel uses a 6-disc carbon fiber drag system, which provides smooth and consistent drag performance. This allows anglers to fight and land larger fish without worrying about the drag system failing. The Architect A spinning reel also features a 6.2:1 gear ratio, which provides a fast and efficient retrieve. This makes it easier to quickly reel in your catch and get back to fishing. In terms of comfort and ergonomics, the Architect A spinning reel features a comfortable EVA handle knob and a carbon fiber handle. The reel also has a comfortable grip, which makes it easy to hold and use for extended periods of time. Overall, the 13 Fishing Architect A spinning reel is a top-of-the-line fishing reel that offers excellent performance and features. While it may be more expensive than some other spinning reels on the market, serious anglers will appreciate the quality and durability of this reel. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.